Peru news today. All you need to know about Peru.
Day 3, Athletic Victory. Peru excels in the sports competition and secures its place in the final of Miss World 2023 to 2024. Lucía Arellano, the distinguished representative as Miss Peru World 2023, led her team to victory in the sports challenge known as El Sports Challenge Beep Test Team America. In this event, Peru continued to stand out in the Miss World 2023 competition by achieving victory in the Sport Challenge, specifically in the Americas group. This achievement not only highlights the beauty and elegance of Lucía Arellano, but also her skills and determination in the sporting field. With her outstanding participation, Lucía Arellano not only demonstrated her outstanding qualities on the catwalk, but also in the sports event, showing an impressive balance between grace and physical performance. Her effective leadership was evident in leading her team to victory, thus ensuring her passage to the next round in this demanding Miss World 2023 competition. This achievement is not only cause for celebration for Lucía Arellano, but also for her team Verde colleagues, who surely recognize and appreciate the valuable contribution of their outstanding representative. Lucía Arellano, with her grace, skill and leadership, has raised the name of Peru in the sports field of the prestigious pageant, leaving an indelible mark on the Miss World 2023 competition. Lucía Arellano thanks Miss World for allowing her to spread the message about the importance of leading a healthy lifestyle. Through sports, she has gained the confidence to believe that she can turn all of her dreams into reality. In this process, essential values such as confidence, determination and discipline have been strengthened. Also on the fourth day at Miss World, she visited Helsinki Pachola, a school that offers remedial classes once a week to children in Delhi who lack access to education. However, for these children, school represents an opportunity to build a more promising future. Numerous success stories were heard narrating how the students of this institution completed their education and, now working at Helsinki Pachola, strive to ensure that future generations pursue their dreams. Gratitude was expressed to Miss World for providing a day full of inspiration.
Peru news today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.